Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today a tutorial on how to create your own website for free and easily. First you open your SSH client and put yourself on your device so that you can install everything. Accept the license. Log in with your data where you have specified. Now you are in the terminal and the installation can start. Type sudo apt install Apache 2. Apache 2 is a HTTP web server running locally on your device. Press Y and enter. With sudo system control status Apache 2 you can see if the HTTP server is online or not. With sudo system control restart Apache 2 you can restart the HTTP server so Apache 2. When the installation is finished you can check it by entering the local IP of your device in the browser. When the Apache 2 default page is there you have done everything right and your web server is online. I'm going to delete the default page now. If you have HTML code you can upload it to the /var/www/html folder and it will be reflected on the website. As you can see I just deleted the index.html because that is the default page. Everything in the video is on my homepage in the projects and web servers category. There is also an SSL certificate guide and a video will be coming soon. If you need help or need extensions for your website, feel free to have a look at my homepage. Thank you for watching and I would be happy if you subscribe and like. Bye and have a nice day.